Today, I bring you a demonstration of the disassembly and repair method of a GUI injector, which is mainly divided into 4 parts, including the disassembly of the whole part, the detection of adaptive parts, the inspection of vulnerable parts, and the detection after loading on the test bench. This section is the first part. Let's start now.